for our girls that are not in partnership right now, this still can all really apply to you. You just make some tweaks to it because all of this stuff is stuff that, individuals on their own need to be talking about or thinking about or planning. So this is what I typically do for my relationship, and I recommend everyone else do for theirs. I have clients that use this platform as well. And I typically say, first off, for the female, if you go ahead and put your menstrual cycle, if you're tracking, if you have some sort of insight of when you're ovulating, luteal phase, menstruating, all of those things, if you are in touch with it, and if you're not, I highly recommend you get more in touch with it. But that definitely is really good for your partner. We can't ever assume that our partner is tracking our schedule, our cycles like we are.
Mhm.
And it just gives them a little bit of insight, like, oh, she's not going to feel good this week. Let's not schedule something this week, or, something along that. So we always put when we think my menstrual cycle is coming. I think it's just a good thing to be aware of and talk about.